My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
What's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host, Sneakerhead, your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so back from a long hiatus. I apologize to everybody that watched my videos, who's part of the Toon Squad. I have not been coming up with any content. I think the last video I did was like 2 months ago. It is now October. The beginning of October is October the 6th, if I'm not mistaken. Today is my mother's birthday, so it's crazy that I'm coming back today. Oh, when y'all see this, it's probably gonna be the 10th, because right now it's like, I think 9 o'clock. Classic, what time is it? 7:59. It's 7:59 here in California. So by the time I make this video, edit it, and upload it, it's probably gonna be 9 o'clock here. Meaning that on the East Coast, 10, 11, 12, it's already 12 a.m. After 12 a.m. So that's the 10th or like that. So I mean the 7th, excuse me. So y'all might not see this till the 7th, but the time of me recording this, it is October the 6th. So I just want to say happy birthday to my moms. Class, you want to say happy birthday to Nana?
Happy birthday, Nana.
There we go. Class is saying happy birthday to Nana. So you know she turned 62 today. So
62.
very 62. Damn.
62?
Yeah, she's 62.
I thought she was like in her 50s.
I'm gonna tell her you said that. She looked like she in her 50s. That's a good compliment. But very blessed to have my mother in my life. Very care about it. Y'all know what it is. I don't want to get all emotional. But have not been making content because I've been going through a lot of stuff, like, you know, life-wise. But life be life. Y'all get it. I don't want to really tell y'all about everything that's going on, but just been doing some stuff. So, and on top of that, I haven't really bought no sneakers. There has not been one shoe that, well, that's a lie. There has been one shoe that I have wanted since July, but I didn't buy it because I was like, I don't feel like I want to buy a shoe. And that was the Air Jordan 4, those, they're like grayish. I said grayish. They're like brownish gray. I forgot what they call it. But they just came out probably like 2 weeks ago. They were some Jordan 4s. I didn't get that. They was a gift though for my birthday because my birthday was 2 weeks ago also. So I did not pay for them. So besides that shoe, I have not got, the last shoe that I bought personally was those Kobe Total Oranges. Was it that? I think it was the Kobe Total Oranges, something like, maybe. I think it was that one. Can't really remember. But not really into shoes like that. I'm not just buying things to buy things. I'm only buying certain shoes that I like or whatever like that. So I do like these Jordan 5s. And spoiler alert, the video that y'all see, even though it's an early review because these don't come out until Saturday the 11th, I had this video recorded probably like a week ago. But I just didn't have motivation to do Instagram. I mean, I said do Instagram, to do this YouTube channel. I mean, do this YouTube video. So I apologize for that. I will try to be a little bit more consistent or just add some other stuff to my content, to my channel. So I apologize for that because I know I do have some people that really look forward to my videos. So, but enough talking. I already got this pre-recorded, so about to go show y'all these early review of these Jordan 5s. Y'all already see the title and thumbnail. Y'all know what it is. And after that, I'm coming back and give some proper information. So be back, stay tuned, and it's good to be back. Okay, right off back, I'm loving this box lid. I love this pink, this faded type pink, and it feels like sandpaper, like scratch paper, something. White Jumpman in the center. You flip it over, got the white bottom of the box with pink speckles going all through it. Love that, love that. Flip it over again. We got Nike Air right there. It reads Air Jordan 5, soft pink, black. It's a size 10 because this is a women's shoe. I'm pretty sure this is a women's shoe. So that's equivalent to 8.5 men. I think it's a women's shoe. I hope it's a women's shoe. I don't see W though. Did I see W? I don't know. Anyway, open up. I don't know why they didn't make the speckles on the paper white and pink too. That would have been a nice touch. Sorry I had to come back because I hate when I had these shoes all wrapped up. But I got them out now. Set this up right here. Without further ado, we got the, let me get this. Oh, I gotta flip it. I gotta grab this one. Air Jordan 5 soft pink. Boom. Okay, we got the Air Jordan 5 soft pink. I think they called these. But look at this. 23 right there embroidered on the side. Pink with the black like shading. Nike Air and pink on the back. Loving this. This is just a beautiful, beautiful shoe. I ain't gonna lie. All white. You probably hear my dog in the background sneezing because I am doing a voiceover. Shark teeth right here on the side. In pink with the black midsole air bubble unit. Like I said, this is an all white shoe, white leather. See this tongue right there? It's 3M gray with the pink Jumpman in the center with the pink little, what's that called? Shoelace lock? Yeah. Gray netting on the siding right there. Same thing on the other shoe. Just a beautiful, beautiful white and pink shoe. I would not have been surprised if this was like an Easter shoe. Like this actually seemed like a shoe that you would get like during the Easter time, during April or something like that. But I like it. I mean, y'all know my favorite color, pink. Translucent bottom. Red Jumpman underneath, Nike right there, and on the black, and translucent on the back heel. The whole shoe is 3M if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna get some information, but I think the whole shoe is 3M. This probably be the thumbnail right here, right there. But great, beautiful shoe. Definitely a cop for me. Sorry if my audio is not that good. I am doing this voiceover from home, so. And it's the fan in the background. My dog is moving around right here by my foot, so I apologize about that. But anyway, beautiful, beautiful shoe. Now let's go back to the house and get some information. Okay, we back. Hope y'all enjoyed that review of the Air Jordan 5. Chewy, leave Simba alone. This guy, Simba's right behind me. Simba. Right there, so Chewy right there. Anyway, for the Air Jordan 5, what are these called? The 35th anniversary? I guess they are called the 35th anniversaries. I guess. All right. So I got some information off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. And it's going to be, I'm going to get this ad off the screen. You'll be able to read with me, along with me. It's going to be on the side of me. And on 3, 2, 1, boom. It should be up right now. Okay, so it reads, Air Jordan 5 OG 35th anniversary releases October 2025. Of course, we know that. All right, official photos for the Air Jordan 5 35th anniversary have been revealed ahead of October 11th release. Like I said, that's this Saturday. The pair carries a white 3M reflective upper with soft pink accents, black trim, and classic Nike Air branding. Jordan Brand celebrated the 35th anniversary of the Air Jordan 5 with exciting releases in 2025. One of the standout colorways is the Air Jordan 5 medium soft pink. So that might be another name for it. Called the 35th anniversary edition. That's what it's called. This fresh look is set to drop in October 2025, just in time for the holiday season. The sneaker showcases a striking combination of white, medium, soft pink, and black. Its uppers crafted from premium white leather, creating a fresh, timeless look. Medium soft pink accents appear on the iconic shark teeth design along the midsole and the embroidered 23 on the lateral side. The pink detailing continues on the inner lining, the Jumpman logo on the tongue, and the bold Nike Air branding on the heel. Adding to the standout design, the upper features a reflective 3M finish. Oh, I got switch hands, my arm getting tired. Completing the look, a sleek black midsole contrasting the bright colors, while an icy translucent ISO delivers a modern touch. The Air Jordan 5 OG 35th anniversary will be released on October 11th. You can find a selected Jordan Brand retailer both in store and online. The retail price is set for $210 USD. Not too bad. I mean, that's how much 5s usually go for, like $200, $210. And it will be available in 4 family sizes. With its vibrant color and premium material, the Air Jordan 5 medium soft pink is perfect for collectors and sneaker fans alike. Whether you're celebrating the 35th anniversary or looking for a standout holiday sneaker, this release is a must-have. It's not a must-have. I'm telling you right now. Hold up. Skip that. Let's get these little ads off. Sorry for these ads. All right, there are some more pictures. And as you can see, the whole shoe is reflective, 3M reflective. So I kind of don't like that. But I do like the pink and black. I do like that. I like the color. I like the color blocking. That's the box and light. But you already seen this anyway. Okay, I don't care about nobody modeling it. All right, turn it off. Anyway, is this a copper drop? For me, it is, because I love the color pink. Could I go without these shoes? Absolutely. But listen, man, I have got rid of so many Jordans. Like, I used to have hundreds and hundreds of shoes. Y'all see my channel over the years. This is the least amount of shoes I've had in a long, long time. I think, like, off the top of my brain, I'm just going to guess I got about 50 pair. And I know that's still a lot. Bless them. Some people only got one good pair of shoes. So I'm just talking about for me. I know for Jordans, I probably got 10 pair, maybe like that. So not really buying as many shoes as I used to, and I'm okay with that. And I'm not gonna just start back buying shoes just to buy shoes, because then they just sit there and like they're gonna go waste, soul separation in like 10 years, something like that. So I had shoes that I haven't worn for like 7 years. I had to get rid of them. It was nice having them, but I had to get rid of them. So definitely for me, I think this is a cop. Do I think this shoe will be sitting? Absolutely. Do I think anybody be going crazy for a shoe? No. I really got to figure out how I'm gonna get it, because the shoe comes out on Saturday. I have to work both my jobs on Saturday, and even though I get off on time to go to the mall to get it, I don't have a car at this time. I'm on my motorcycle, and unless I'm gonna throw away the box, and I actually like the box, so I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get this shoe. Anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my Sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click notification bells every time I post new content. You will be notified. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka your favorite Sneakerhead, represent Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. From Simba, and Chewy. Have a nice day.